You are welcome to ABC Creative Art TV. Please join me in this art tutorial as we create a drawing titled No Place Like Home using 2B and 5B pencils on a piece of A4 white paper. Let's write on. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel ABC Creative Art TV for amazing and learner-friendly art tutorials on video every week. Do also drop your comments for us to have a feedback from you. Please do us a favor by also sharing the video link with your family and friends so that they can also watch and enjoy the art and also join in supporting us by subscribing to our channel and liking the videos as we drop them. We promise to deliver excellence. Thank you. The materials I am using for this drawing are 2B and 5B pencils, a cutting board for blending the shading in some areas to create softness of tones because of light in the background, a piece of A4 white paper, a pair of scissors which I used in cutting the masking tape that I placed on the sky area before shading it so as to create a star-like impression on the sky. I also have a pencil eraser with me. Let's continue. Please, as you watch this art tutorial on video from beginning to the end, titled No Place Like Home, do also get your own art materials and get down to business. Create your own drawing. You can do it. I believe in you. Congratulations in advance. We are gradually coming to the end of this video, No Place Like Home. Please remember to like the video, subscribe to our channel ABC Creative Art TV for amazing and learner-friendly art tutorials on video every week. Remember also to drop your comments. Help us share the video link with your friends and loved ones so that they can also watch and come and support us. From all of us at ABC Critical TV, we remain immensely grateful to you for being there for us every week. Thank you so much.